This is Altcoins This Week, a weekly recap of the latest altcoins news. And today we have ZCash prices spike after GEMINI'S announcement, Ripple launches venture capital fund Xspring, Facebook could be developing its own cryptocurrency, and Chicago Mercantile Exchange launches Ethereum index. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange has announced a partnership with crypto facilities to launch the Chicago Mercantile Exchange CF Ethereum dollar reference rate and real-time index. The new index aims to provide users with access to real-time Ethereum price in dollars. According to the press release, the index will be calculated by crypto facilities and will be based on activity in exchanges such as Bitstamp and Kraken. The indexes will update once per second every day of the year, providing real-time transparency to the USD price of Ethereum. Last December, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange launched futures trading for Bitcoin, and it seems it's now Ethereum's turn. Crypto facilities have introduced futures contracts for Ethereum to enable investors to take positions on this cryptocurrency. According to Alex Heath, a news anchor for Chatter, Facebook is working on the possibility of creating its own cryptocurrency for digital payments. Facebook has banned cryptocurrency and ICOs ads from its platform. The reason behind this, it says, is to protect its users from deceptive information and potential scams. No more details are available at this time, but Facebook is under scrutiny from the world after the Cambridge Analytica scandal, where more than 87 million users' data was wrongfully used by applications linked to the social media company. Facebook may be looking to blockchain to clean its image and to provide more transparency and immutability to the platform. The company has been putting a team together with David Marcus, ex-director of PayPal, leading the blockchain investigation unit for the company. Who knows, maybe we'll see a face coin sooner than we think. Ripple has announced its intention to launch Xspring, a service that aims to provide financial backing to companies that develop products and services to the Ripple coin. Through this initiative, Ripple plans to invest in, incubate, acquire, and provide grants to companies and projects run by proven entrepreneurs that use the Ripple ledger and the digital asset Ripple to solve their customers' problems in a transformative way. Ripple has hired Ethan Beard, previous developer director at Facebook, as senior vice president to lead this project. They have already partnered with major companies in the banking sector and are now seeking to become more relevant to the everyday user. The company has also announced its investment in other projects such as Blockchain Capital and Omni. ZCash prices have grown more than 45% after the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini announced its listing on their platform. The increase in price follows the decision by the New York Department of Financial Services to allow them to add ZCash to the market starting next Tuesday. The New York exchange, founded by the Winklevoss brothers, has previously received New York Department of Financial Services approval to list other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Dash, and Litecoin, although it has not announced when those will be added to the platform. Gemini is one of the very few fully regulated exchanges in the world and is the first one licensed as the ZCash exchange. Altcoins follow market patterns. Altcoins experienced the downfall of the general market. Ethereum started the week at $790 and went down from there. On Tuesday, it had already lost about $60 and struggled to remain within the 700 mark until Friday, when it reached its lowest point of $648. It recovered somewhat, closing the week at $730. Ripple started the week at 87 cents and dropped to its lowest point on Friday, reaching the 66 cents, but recovered, closing the week at 74. Bitcoin Cash opened the week above $1,700 mark, but throughout the week lost almost $400 of its value, perhaps due to its delisting from BL3P. It closed the week at $1,400. Litecoin tried to hold its support at the $160 mark throughout the week. However, it too suffered with the rest of the market when it went below 140 on Friday, before closing the week at the 140 mark. After news hit that the major exchange Upbit was allegedly being investigated, the entire market dropped about 15% in general. Perhaps the opening of Consensus 2018 will bring up prices when showing support from major players in the history. I'm Helen Moss, and this was Altcoins This Week. Make sure you subscribe to hear all the latest news. Until next time.